Here are the top 10 stories of the week. According to government data, output of 8 crore industries fell by 4.6% in February 2021. According to the data released by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, the output of 8 crore industry infrastructure sectors fell by 4.6% in February this year. However, electricity production, in line with recent trends, saw only a marginal decline of 0.2%. Diversion of oxygen for COVID adversely impacts steel production. Reason being the lack of oxygen, on April 25th, the government had put down some restrictions on use of oxygen for industrial purposes. Therefore, this affected steel and oil industries the most. Maharashtra lines up infra projects for completion. The Maharashtra government is rushing to complete infrastructure projects in Mumbai and Thane in anticipation of municipal election due early next year. Within the following few months, 6 large infrastructure projects, 4 by the MMRDA and 2 by BMC, are expected to achieve completion and to be opened for public utility. Falling demand to control soaring steel prices. Skyrocketing steel prices are likely to face a headwind as demand takes a sharp hit from users due to COVID-induced restrictions. Compared to March, finished steel consumption was down 23% last month at 6.78 million tons. Sanjay Gandhi National Park, MSRDC, seeks land for road development. 8.8 hectares of forest land from the Sanjay Gandhi National Park, worth Rs 510 crores, has been asked for the road project. The State Road Corporation aims to utilize the land for construction of an elevated carriageway along the Thane-Ghodbunder highway. Delhi government allows construction work for 1 week starting May 31st. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal told media on Friday that the state has regained control of the second wave of COVID-19 and the government will now begin the process of gradually lifting the lockdown, beginning with the resumption of construction activities and reopening of the factors for 1 week beginning Monday. Noida Development Body extends Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana application deadline to June 25th. GNIDA, after receiving inadequate applications for its project under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, has now decided to extend the application deadline from April 24th to June 25th. CEO of GNIDA, Deep Chandra, said that due to the pandemic and economic slowdown, they have increased the application deadline by 2 months. Gujarat launches infrastructure projects worth over Rs 500 crores. Gujarat CM Vijay Rupani launched several infrastructure projects across the state worth Rs 585 crores of AMC through video conferencing on Friday. The government release said that the projects include Phase 2 of Sabarmati Riverfront development from Dafnala till Indira Bridge on the city's eastern side. National Green Tribunal bans brick kilns in NCR during monsoon season. A bench headed by NGT chairperson Justice Adarsh Kumar Goel said that under the grab of a review, a party cannot be permitted to reopen the case and to gain a full-fledged inning for making submissions. IIT Madras alumni builds India's first 3D printed house. The alumni of IIT Madras have built India's first 3D printed house inside the campus, which was inaugurated virtually by Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Tuesday. That's all for this week. Stay tuned at constructionworld.in for more updates.